Okay, so now that we've went over market structure, the next thing we need to go over is break of structure. Now, before I actually show you what break of structure is, I will tell you. So break structure is literally just a shift in market structure. So remember how I was saying like uptrend, downtrend? This here is the market breaking structure to the upside in an uptrend. And why break structures are important is for identifying when the market actually shifts in structure. So let's say we're in a downtrend. Let's create some low lows. And here, the market decides to do this. The break-in structure would be here, or here, or here. And then the market would be in an uptrend now all of a sudden. So you get the point. Now I'm gonna just go over examples and that's it pretty much. So you can see right here, candle close above the high. Now this is a very important aspect of breaker structures because the candle has to close above the high or else it's not a break. Pretty much simple as. So I'll just mark out a bunch of breaker structures. That's not one. Why? Because we didn't close above it. Technically, the next candle does close above it, so it's fine. But like this individually, no break structure. Even this, that's no break structure. This is a clean break structure. This is a clean break structure. These are not breaks because these are not even highs and lows. And this is a break structure to the downside. Remember what I was saying to like the weekly, for example? If this closes, yes, it's a break structure because this is a low. But also, this is not a low on the weekly, but it could be a low on the daily once this candle closes. And then once the next weekly opens, this could be a weekly low. So that's just kind of like how time works. But yeah, it's just the reason I mentioned that is because a breaker structure on the lower time frame could just be a liquidity sweep on the higher time frame. But what are liquidity sweeps? I will talk about that in the next video. But for now, I'm just showing you more examples. I think you get the gist of it. It's quite simple. That's a break. No breaks here. That's a nice break. That's a nice break. That's a nice break. I'm just drawing lines on my chart. There's a nice break. There's a nice break. That's almost a nice break. Eventually, you just see them. There's a bunch of highs here. This is liquidity. I could just talk about sweeps, but we're going to talk about it in the next video. But yeah, that's break structure. If it closes above, it's broken past it. If it closes below, it's broken below it. And it has to close. It does not matter if it's a wick. If it wicks above it, if it wicks below it, does not matter. The wicks do not matter. It's the candle closes what's important. So like this one of broke structure below, if it wicks it and closes above, it's fine. It's not a break. It's a sweep. And I'll talk about sweep in the next video.